Hi, my name is Jason Self, and I am a power and lighting distribution specialist for CBT. At the beginning of my career, I was working for a design-build electrical contractor as a co-op. There I learned the electrical trade from some great estimators and engineers and began a career working in the consulting engineering business. I've spent most of the time since working as an electrical designer, 3D modeler, and controls engineer for a number of local firms. As a customer, I was impressed by the way CBT did business, and I was very happy to come on board as a specialist here. I get to work with a lot of great customers and a great team. When customers have an application in their facility to upgrade lighting or power distribution equipment, they reach out to their account managers who bring me in to look at the application. We then determine what the best solution would be for that particular customer and then present them a design or a recommendation. I'm a lighting certified professional by the National Council for the Qualifications of Lighting Professionals. What this means is that our customers can rest assured that when we look at an application or a project, we're taking things into account that maybe other people might not be. We're looking at the exact environment. We're looking at how the people in that space are working. We're concerned with things like glare and are going to come up with a solution that's going to serve our customers best in the long term. What I enjoy most about what I do at CBT is when I get to design a lighting system for somebody, and they've got lighting that is legacy products, it's fluorescent, metal halide, and we design a solution for them. And then after it gets installed, being able to walk back into that facility and see the difference that upgraded lighting has made to just the quality of being in those spaces, the efficiency gains that are done by it, and seeing the reaction that our customers have. It is literally a night and day difference in a lot of cases when good quality lighting is put into a facility, and getting to tangibly see that is really cool. One application that comes to mind that was a really great result was that we were working with a distillery that in one of their main areas had a lot of legacy metal halide lights. They were yellowing, they were dingy, it was dark in there, and they needed to upgrade all that lighting. So we went through and we came up with a solution, and we replaced everything with LED. Well, afterwards, not only did it look a lot better, but afterwards, people from the national headquarters of this facility, they noticed how better it looked in that place, and were giving accolades to the person responsible at the plant for getting us involved. But they had a film crew come in to do promo spots. This is a really high visible area to their customers, and so they had this film crew come in to do a promo spot. And when they did that, the film crew even noticed, hey, something here is different. It's a lot easier for us to film. So not really what we had designed for, but in just a customer relation standpoint and from a marketing standpoint, the increase in the quality of the lighting made a huge impact for our customer. My wife Kate and I have 2 children, Brody and Audrey. We are very active in our church where I'm a deacon. Being an Eagle Scout, I am the Cub Master for my son's Cub Scout pack, and whenever I have free time, I am a classical woodworker and like to spend time in the shop designing and coming up with woodworking projects.